Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter addition 3 digits. And the lessons we are going to cover today are add multiples of 100, addition with 3-digit numbers, addition with 3-digit numbers, addition with problems up to 3 digits. Okay, so the basic concept is you have to add, right? You already know how to add. So just you have the number of digits are 3 in the question in all the numbers. So you let's just start with the first lesson. That's add multiples of 100, right? The first example is 200 plus 400, right? So both the numbers have equal number of zeros. Both the numbers are 3 digits. They both have 2 zeros at the end, right? Because they have same number of zeros, so adding them is very easy. You have to arrange them one above the other, right? Now you know that 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Just add the non-zero values. Non-zero values are 4 plus 2, so 4 plus 2 is 6. So 200 plus 400 equal 600. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, so the first one is 500 plus 100. How do we add? Both the numbers are 3 digit. Both the numbers are 3 digit. So adding them is very easy because they have the same number of zeros. Just write them down one above the other, right? It would be 500 plus 100. So we know that 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0. Just add in non-zero values. They are 5 plus 1, so it is 6. So that means 500 plus 100 equals 600. The correct option is 600. Okay, the next one is 200 plus 400. So how do we add, which is the correct option? So both the numbers have again same number of zeros. So you have to write them down one above the other. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, and 4 plus 2 is. So yes, that is 600. The correct option is 600. You just have to add the non-zero values. They are 4 plus 2, so that is 600. Okay, add 800 plus 100. So which is the correct option? Just add the non-zero values. They have the same number of zeros and the same digits, right? So just add the non-zero values. 8 plus 1 is 9, so that is 900, right? No one is answering why. Okay, the next one is 700 plus 100, so which is the correct option? The correct option is very good, that is 800. You just have to add the non-zero values. Okay, the next one is add 300 plus 500, so which is the correct option? 5 plus 3 is 8, so it is 800. The correct option is 800. Very good. Okay, the next one is add 100 plus 100, so which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That is 100 plus 100 equals 200, because they have the same number of zeros and same digits. So you just have to add the non-zero values. They are 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then add the 0, so that would be 200. Yes, that is 600. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition with three-digit numbers, right? So we're going to learn how do we add three-digit numbers, right? So let's just start with the first example. The example is you need to add 583 plus 8. So you can 583 plus 8, right? You can make groups, right? You can see 3 and 8, they are the one digit number. 1, 10 and 100. So you have to add 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11, right? You have 11. You can write 1 over here and you can carry the 1, right? You can carry the 1 to the next digit, right? That would be then 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, and you can write 5 as it is, so it would be 591. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. I think carry is new for you, or you know how. I don't know. If you have any question related to the carries, you can ask question again. Okay, the first one is 158 plus 5. 158 plus 5. So just regroup, add the digits that are at the ones position. So 8 plus 5 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You have 13, right? You always write the ones digit over here and tens digit you carry to the next digit, right? So carry is 5 and 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. So it would be 163. Got it? If you have any question, you can ask. The correct option is 163. Okay, the next one is 904 plus 1. So which is the correct option? 904 plus 1 equals, that is 905, right? You need to add 1 to 904. So obviously you just have to add 1 to 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, 240 plus 8, which is the correct option? The correct option is 248. No one is answering. Why? 240 plus 8 is 248. Okay, the next one is 292 plus 6. So just write them down like this. So how do we add? 8 plus 2 is, sorry, 6 plus 2 is, 6 plus 2 is 8. You can bring 9 as it is and you have 2. So it will be 298, right? 292 plus 6 is 298. The correct option is 298. Okay, 169 plus 2, which is the correct option? For the smaller digits, you can, for the smaller numbers, you can count like we have just to add 169. So 169 plus 2 is 171, right? You can count like this: 169 171. So that would be 171. 169 plus 2 is 171. So the correct option is 171. Got it? Okay, very good. The next one is 358 plus 7. So which is the correct option? Okay, so you have to start adding from the rightmost digit. That would be 358 plus 57. Okay, 358 plus 7, right? So add 8 and 7. 8 plus 7 makes 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 plus 7 makes 15, right? So you have to write the rightmost digit over here. You have to write 5 over here and carry 1. So 5 and 1 is 6. It is 365. How? 379. That is 365. Be careful when adding. The correct option is 365. Okay, the next one is 430 plus 6. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, 430 plus 6 is 436. 6 plus 0 is 6. So that is 436. Very good. Okay, the next one is 712 plus 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 714. No, 712 and plus 4. Use your notebook and pencil, right? Write them down one above the other. That this way you can easily add 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 here and the rest of the digits are same. Yes, that is 716. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 7 plus 549. So which is the correct option? So 549 plus 7 is you have 549, you need to add 7, right? So 9 plus 7 is 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. You have to write 6 and carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, so that would be 556. Got it? The correct option is 556. Okay, the next one is 436 plus 3. So, which is the correct option? 436 plus 3 is 6 plus 3 is 9, right? So 436 plus 3 is 439. The correct option is 439, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. The next one is addition with three-digit numbers. Okay, the lesson is same as above. Addition word problems up to three digits. Okay, so we're going to start with the word problems, right? The concept is same. You just have to add the numbers. The first example is a mama bear has eaten 751 fish. Her cub has eaten 30 fish. In all, how many fish have the bears eaten? You have to calculate the total fishes they eat, right? So you need to add 751 plus 30, right? So simply you can add the same way you can add the ones. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then you can add the tens. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 7. You can write as it is. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, let's just read the question. What do you know by? What do you mean by talk louder? Can you guys hear me? Blue Point had 428 people before it became a stop on the railroad. Now there are 77 more people living there. How many people live in Blue Point now? So you have to add 428 plus 77. So let's just add 428 plus 77. So start adding, right? Start with the ones digit. 8 plus 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? 8 plus 7 makes 15, right? 5 over here and carry 1. Now you can add the 7 plus 2 and the carry. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10, right? You have to I write 0 over here and carry 1. Now 4 plus 1 is 5. So that would be 505. 428 plus 77 is 505, right? So the correct option is 505. You can fix your speakers or whatever earphones, whatever you are using, right? Because everything is fine at my side, that would be just 505. Okay, the next one is a mama bear has eaten 751 fish. Her cub has eaten 30 fish. In all, how many fish have the bears eaten? So, which is the correct option? You need to add 751 plus 30. So, which is the correct option? So 751 plus 30 is, that is 781. That's the one we just did on the tutorial, right? So 751 plus 30 is 781. Last Saturday, Relay and friends had a huge snowball fight. During the fight, 300 of the snowballs hit their targets, but 57 of them missed. How many snowballs were thrown? So you need to add 300 plus 57. So which is the correct option? 7 plus 0 is 7. 5 plus 0 is 5 and you have 3. So the correct option is, that is 357. So the correct option is 357, right? Okay, a school book fair sold 767 chapter books and 53 picture books. How many books were sold in all? So which is the correct option? So let's just add 767 plus 53, right? So start adding from the ones digit 7, 8, 9, 10. Write 0 here and carry 1, right? Now you need to add 6 and 5 plus 1. 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 1 is 12. Write 2 over here and carry 1. 7 and 1 is 8. So that would be 820. The correct option is 820. 767 plus 53 is 820. Got it? Why don't you do on your notebook? Why you wait for me to do? Where is your notebook and pencil? That is 820. Use your notebook and pencil and add them. Last week, Nolan and Leon went on a road trip. Nolan drove 398 miles and Leon drove 43 miles. Overall, how many miles did they travel? So you need to add 398 and plus 43. So how do you add? So 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. Write 1 over here, carry 1. 9 and 1, 10 and 4, 14. 4 and carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. So that would be 441. The correct option is 441. Okay, the next one is Ivan is building a cabinet. He needs 767 1-inch bolts and 21 and a half inch bolts. How many bolts in all does Ivan need? So which is the correct option? You need to add 767 plus 20. So the correct option is, Yes, the correct option is 787. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is complete the addition sentences up to three digits. So you need to find the missing number, right? You are given one of the number, you need to find the other number, right? For example, the first example is first find fill in the missing number. 535 plus what number equals 539? You are given three options. Put options one by one and see which number is missing. Three 535 plus, yes, that is 535 plus 4 equals 539. You can put one by one from the choices given, right? You can find your correct answer. Okay, the next one is 353 plus missing number equals 359. So which is the correct option? So 353 plus what number equals 359? The correct option is very good. That would be 6. 353 plus 6 equals 359. Okay, the next one is 9 plus missing number equals 527. So which is the correct option? The correct option is the missing one is 518, right? 518 plus 9 is 527. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is 3 plus the missing number equals 755. So which number is missing? Yes, the missing one is 752. Very good. Fill in the missing number. The missing number plus 581 equals 583. So which number is missing? So which number is missing? Very good. That is 2. 581 plus 2 equals 583, right? Okay, the next one is the missing number plus 8 equals 142. So which number is missing? The correct option is that is 134, right? 134 plus 8 equals 142, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is addition 3-digit numbers. The lessons we have covered today are add multiples of 100, addition with 3-digit numbers, addition with 3-digit numbers, addition word problems up to 3 digits, and complete the addition sentences up to 3 digits. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9, right? Or either you can join me in the interact session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question related to this we just did, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask question. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.